Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm your tutor Ikem Shahrukh and I'm going to show you that how multiplayer games works. So I'm using Unity and also using Node.js. So let's do it. And if you have any questions and any problem, so just comment in the comment section. I'll try fix your problem. So let's get started. So before we start, please don't forget subscribe my channel.
So open your Unity and I'm using Unity 2022. So let's this location, set up this location. Okay, where is this location? Okay, age. Okay, then this project name this project Unity multiplayer server. Okay, so after open your Unity, then to open your Visual Studio. If you do not see there any Node.js Visual Studio installer, and then go to the modify, and then just check this box on there, Node.js development, and then install. Okay, and then you just simply install some packages. So simply go to the tools in the Visual Studio section, then command line, and then command prompt, and then simply install some packages like install npm install node-mon. First install node-mon because I have already node-mon, and then okay, wait, okay, then npm install http. Okay, then after install http, then install npm install express express, and after install express, simply type the npm install crypto, okay, crypto, and after install crypto, so then finally you have two packages left for installation. One install WebSocket, not okay, so WebSocket, and then you need to install WebSocket. Okay, so WS. So after install all of this, then simply go there, solution, and you I have already this connection, so simply you go to the file, new, and file. Okay, so there, so I use their crypto. One another thing, when you open this solution explorer, then you can see their package.json. so there is here is your all of packages list. So I used all of this like crypto, express, http. So http I connect there, connection server, then I use ws server, and then I just simply express is this package, this plugin system drop in this constant of variable, and then set up their port 300, and simply I add this get a request. I don't need this, and then server, create this server app. Okay, and then I just export this or ws plugin system. Okay, just simply I create their a function, a return type function, and their export, and I name their function, export function name. You can use their any name, and also use any type, number, use their port as support. Okay, and then last I initial their lesson. Okay, after complete this all of this, then go to the app section. So I just call this is the soft connection in here app.js section. Okay, so when you call this, simply go to the tools and command line, and there simply call the node mon app. So app is this app's name .js. So enter. So our server is running. Okay, so that's it for create a server. And the next is the server unity connection. Okay, I simply create a folder. I name is sgd soft server, server. Okay, here their script sgd soft server. So I need WebSocket plugin for this unity. Drag and drop there. So I need to delete this script, like script test. So I need to delete this test socket.io. Okay, wait, socket.io, sorry. Okay, so I don't need this all of this. Okay, component, socket component, IO component, I don't need anything. Okay, I just need the socket sharp. Okay, escape, delete, scene. Okay, let's check this in save. Okay, socket.io. Okay. Okay, I don't need this prefab. Okay, JSON. Okay, I need a JSON object, and then JSON object. Okay, I need this server. Oh, I don't need this. Okay, perfect. I don't need this also. Okay, just socket.io sharp. Okay, perfect. Good. Where is my script? There's my script set there. So first I need to connection to the server. Okay, so what can I do now? So I just first name their namespace sgdsoft. Okay, sgdsoft, and their namespace sgdsoft server. Okay, so first give their a name, URL string, server URL equal ws. So I name their place ss security. Okay, so first public start. Okay, using websocket.net, using websocket private websocket ws. Okay, ws equal to new websocket. So I just put there a URL. Okay, and then ws dot connect. Okay, so if ws I could give their sgd is soft ws is connected, then debug how co connected. Okay, so now back to the Unity. So here is our server URL. Simply just run. Okay, not show any messages. So we need to add some code in the app section. So now dot WS connection on, and type their event name. Event name is UNN connection. Event name is connection, and then name their function. Okay, and function return type name is WS. Okay, the type name is WS, and then close. Okay, perfect. And console dot log WS connection. Okay, so go to the log. On is wrong. Okay, why wrong? Because I use their doubles. I need a single type. Okay, yeah, let's try this again. Yeah, okay, on. Okay, export on is wrong. Why? Because okay, so export second bracket, first bracket, and then yeah, perfect, it's work. Okay, so now if I go back to the Unity and run it again, yeah, server connection done. And also you can notice there a WS connection. Okay,
so that's it.